I'm increasingly seeing people who've had operations on their groin elsewhere and are coming to see me because they still have pain. And classically, they come along and say, I had my hernia repaired 6 months ago with a mesh and it still hurts, why is that? Now the first question I say is, oh, hernia, how big was the lump? And they said, oh, there's no lump. And then they go on and describe the classic symptoms of a Gilmore's groin. They get pain during sport with twisting and turning and kicking, they're stiff and sore for a few days afterwards, and there's never a lump. So what's happened is they've had an operation, they've had a hernia repair with no hernia, where a plastic patch, a mesh, has been put over muscles that are out of place. And of course the muscles are still out of place, so it still hurts. It makes no difference at all. And about once a month I have to go in, re-operate on the groin, take the mesh out and reconstruct the groin. Now that's actually a much more difficult operation, but I'm delighted to say most of the time, 90% of the time and more, it actually works very well, and these people again get back to sport. It takes a little bit longer, but they do get back to doing what they enjoy. But the point is that they didn't have an accurate diagnosis made in the first place, and they've actually had what I would consider to be the wrong operation.